Hey, this is Darlene from InternationalCuisine.com, and today I'm working on a Pakistani dish called Chicken Karahi. And this gets its name from the pan that the dish is cooked in, and this is what a karahi looks like. This one is actually for serving, not meant for cooking, but you can see it's similar to a wok, which is what I'll be using to cook the dish. It has a tablespoon of oil and a little bit of ghee. And then I'm going to show you the ingredients here. We're going to have a pound of chicken breast that's diced. We have 3 tomatoes that are diced up. And then to that, we're going to be adding some other ingredients. We're going to make a dry masala, which includes red pepper flakes, red chili powder, some cumin powder, garam masala, a little turmeric, salt and pepper, and then some fenugreek ground up. And we're also going to be adding for flavor some fresh minced ginger, garlic, and of course a couple of diced chili peppers. These are serranos, and Pakistani food is definitely a little spicy. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my oil getting hot here in the pan over medium heat, and to it I'm going to be adding the ginger and garlic. And we just want that to be in the pan for just, 10 or 20 seconds, something like that, till it gets fragrant. And I've just added the chicken, and we're just going to cook this for a couple minutes till it's browned on all sides. Okay, so I just added into the chicken all the other ingredients that you saw, and I'm going to mix this all well and put a lid on it for 20 minutes. So this is the finished product. All the flavors have melded together, and the tomatoes and all the spices all cooked down into this lovely chicken karahi. And I'm going to top it with some cilantro and some ginger and enjoy it with some fresh naan bread.